Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can send BTC to Phantom Wallet. So the first step, you need to click on the Phantom Wallet on the top right, and once you are here you need to scroll down, and here you can see Bitcoin. Select it and click on receive, and here you can see that this address can be used to receive token. So select that, copy this, and you need to close. Then you need to go back, and once you are on your account, here you can see option of send. Select that, select Bitcoin, and here you can paste the address. So once you paste, here you need to add the amount. So let's suppose I want to send 1. Currently I have 0 balance, but if you have, you need to click on next, and you can easily send. So this is the process how you can send BTC to Phantom Wallet. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.